Make a great choice today with the 2021 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This Ford certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.